Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my faux mini whipped cream drink. I had shown this on Instagram on my tier tray, and my granddaughter took it home with her. So I needed to make another one, and I thought I'd make a video during the process. You're going to need the red cup shot glasses from DollarTree, some of the lightweight spackle, also from DollarTree, a sheet of aluminum foil, guessed it, DollarTree, something to weigh your cup down. I went outside and grabbed a rock. You'll need a baggie, unless you have a piping bag you want to throw away. Take your cup, add some hot glue to the bottom, and then drop in your stone or rock or pennies or whatever you're using for weight. Next, take one of the sheets of aluminum foil and crumple it in a ball. You're going to need to crumple it until it will fit into the cup. It depends on how big of the rock is in your cup. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of the spackle and put it in a sandwich baggie. And then when you have enough in there, just cut off the tip. Make a not too small hole, but you don't want like a big glob coming out, so just a small snip. And then you're going to start piping it, in quotations, around your aluminum foil. At first it's going to just break off, but that's okay because we're going to mash it together. But the warmer it gets, the easier it comes out in one big piece. So I just kept wrapping it around until all of the aluminum foil was covered. And then I used my thumb just to start patting it down. And the key to getting it to start looking like texture is just have some spackling gunk left on your thumb, and that's what's going to give it the texture. I had some of the spackle left in the bag, so I just added a little more to the top. And I patted it down some more, and I only had green sprinkles, so I should have bought some brown glitter, but I didn't have any, and I added them to the top. Unfortunately, I had made the straw originally back with the first one, so I don't have how I made it, but it's just a piece of paper rolled up tightly. I added it into the cup, snipped it down to size, and then put a dab of hot glue at the end of the straw so that it would end up staying inside the cup in case another granddaughter comes by. And there it is, all complete in my tray again. I'm happy, and I hope you enjoyed my project and that you'll make one. Please give my video a thumbs up, comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video. Take care.